Hello everyone, today's topic is separation of substances, class 6 science. Why do we do separation? We do separation to obtain two different but useful components, to remove non-useful components, to remove impurities or harmful components, and to group the substances of different sizes. What are the methods of separation? There are many methods such as hand picking, हाथ से किसी चीज़ को अलग करना. It is used to distinguish different size impurities like stone and husk. Threshing, used for separating grains from stalks mainly. It can be done by machines. Winnowing is a method in which we are separating the heavier and the lighter components of a one mixture with the help of wind or the blowing air. And mainly it is used to separate lighter husk particle from the sheet of grains. Sieving is usually at construction sites, and when the components of mixture are having different sizes. Are there any other method of separation? Yes, sedimentation. Sedimentation is used to separate two components in such a way that heavier substance settle down at the bottom and lighter liquid can be obtained. Decantation. Decantation often used after sedimentation. The process of pouring out the clear water liquid without disturbing the sediment that is already settled down in the beaker or any vessel. Filtration. Filtration is a method in which we are using a filter paper, and by using filter paper or strainer we separate the tiny particles. Evaporation. Evaporation is used when we want to get a substance that has been dissolved. For example, salt is dissolved in salty water. We get salt from doing evaporate. It is left in a warm place and water evaporates, leaving behind the salt. Condensation. Condensation is a process by which a substance changes from gas phase to a liquid phase, and water vapor condensed into liquid water after making contact with the surface of this. Can water dissolve any amount of substance? Yes, why not? Water can dissolve in different amount of soluble substance, but a saturated solution is one which no more substance can be dissolved. Thank you for watching.